Hi, welcome to my presentation of the Android capstone project. I will show you the functionality of the application in detail in this video. So we will open up the application and we will sign up at first because the database is empty at this moment. We choose to be a team and then we fill the gaps. Email, name, surname, date of birth, medical number. If you miss any of those fields, those messages will be popped up warning you about it. For instance, if I delete the medical number, if I do not fill it, you will see a message like that. And the same for the rest of the fields. Okay. One thing to notice is that checkbox button there, which allows us to share location with other teams. I will explain this point later on the video. So we click next and we set up the alarms. Okay. We can add or delete alarms later on our preferences screen. We can change them, update the values, delete them, and the same for the questions. We have the questions here, and we can choose which ones we can share with followers. By default, sugar in blood level question has to be shared, as I consider it's the main question. And well, as usual, you can choose which questions you can show. You can modify these questions in your preferences screen. You can add questions, delete questions, etc. Then we click finish. You've successfully signed up, and there's this dialog here that asks you if you want to perform your first checking now. We'll do our first checking. We'll click do checking. We go to blood sugar level. And we will leave this one blank because I will show you what message is displayed once you do not complete one of the questions. I mean, the followers that are following you as a team are able to know which questions you have not completed if you leave a blank, for instance. I will show you later about this point. Okay, you click save, and now you see the feedback screen, which is the main screen. In a moment I'll show you the rest of the options you have, one after the other one. Hi, it's me again. Now I wanted to show you how the alarms are managed and displayed by the application. If you remember, we introduced 3 alarms at first. I've been testing the application and I have deleted one already. I will show you. We perform the login first. The login will connect to the server, which is based in Spring. It will look for this user in the database. I mean in the server. It will look for the password, and if it finds a match between this user and this password, it will let us log in. So we get the password, we go ahead and we log in. As I was telling you, in view profile you can change all these options regarding the team. I mean, you can change the password, you can change the email address, name, surname, date, everything going, even location checkbox. You just click in update info and all the info is updated. And we'll go to set alarms. As I was telling you, I have already deleted one alarm. You can set another alarm if you want. For instance, 15:55. And as you see, there's one alarm that is about to pop up. I will show you how this works. Hi, now I will show you how the alarms are displayed when they are the time where you have scheduled them arrives. You have in the upper left part of the screen this icon here. You click on it and you can go ahead and perform a login and now perform a check-in. And that's it. Now I will show you what happens if you want to manage the questions. You have to log in first of all. Then you go ahead to view profile and you go to set questions. There you will see a list of all the questions that you already have. And what you have to do is, if you want to add another question, you click on add new. You put the question name just in order to identify it later. Just imagine you can call it eating or meals. And now you can choose if you want to share this question or not. In this case, I will share it. We'll add it. And now you can see it down there. And the next thing we will do is we will perform a check-in. And now you will see that the new question is displayed along with the other ones. So we'll fill the gaps. We'll ignore all these questions and I will say yes, or put yes there and save. Okay. This time I will show you how to sign up as a follower. So we open the application, we click on sign up, follower, and fill the information there. One thing to notice that teams and followers share a common database for username, meaning that the nickname you provide will be unique among teams and followers. That's a way to identify teams by nickname at a later time. I will show you how it works. So we choose a nickname. It has not to be repeated in the database, so we'll choose follower. And now we have to introduce the nickname of the follower we are going to follow. We can add other people at a later time, but at this time we have to provide a name of a team that is already in the system. So in this case we'll choose user and we'll click on done, and now this screen will be displayed. Here you will see all the teams that have received a request of you to follow them and that have accepted this request. I will show how this works later. But now this is it. I mean, if you are a follower, if you sign in, you will see this screen with a list of teams which you are following. You can also change your information by clicking this button. You can change your password, your name, and your position, the same as a team would do in their preferences screen. Okay, you click on update and you're done. This time I will show you what happens if a follower sends a follow request to you as a team and you accept it. So you log in as a user and immediately after that this dialog will appear. If you choose yes, this follower, which is described by user follower, will be able to see the questions you share in the check-ins. So we click yes and we log in again, but this time as a follower. Obviously this option will likely happen in another device, because the idea is to use a device for a team and another device for a follower, and so this following request should live in the server, and so they do. So if I log in as a follower, now I will see that this user that is listed there has accepted your following request. So if you click on it, you will see everything related to him, and you can see the graph with the serum blood chart, and you can see the questions that he has decided to share. For instance, there it is. Now I'll show you what happens if you try to follow a team being a team. So we have to sign up as a new team. The name will be team 2. Will be team. Password. Oh, sorry. Email. Whatever. Date of birth. Click next. For instance, you click finish. I don't want to perform any checking now. Just want to introduce the this thing in the database, and then now I will click follow a team. Now I am a team at this time. I want to follow another team. If I try to follow somebody that is not a team, for instance, if I want to follow this one that was a follower, if you click on request follow, this message will be displayed. This nickname is not belonging to any team, so I have to introduce a correct nickname. In this case, user was a team, so I will send this request follow request, sorry, to that team. I will show you the advanced API I have chosen from the Mocha specialization. In my case, I have chosen geolocation by means of obtaining your current location and placing it in a map along with the location of other teams. As you can see, you have this button here down there. I will click it, and as you see, there's a map that will be displayed where you can see your current location, this one, and you can see as well the location of other teams that have chosen to share their location with you. If you click on the markers of these teams, you will see their nickname, just in case you want to send them a following request. And that's it.